Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, collectives. Okay, so collective, general reading. So, paano ka matatawag na collectives ko? Dapat naka-follow ka. Dapat naka-subscribe ka. Okay, so kung bago ka pa lang, then yeah, abang ka ulit ng ating collective reading. Then, baka sakali, no? Makuha ko na rin yung energy mo. So, sa ngayon, kung sino man yung mga naka-follow, yun ang matatawag kong collectives ko. Oo, may requirements tayo. Oo, yes. Anyway, kung gusto mo lang din naman manood, wala namang problem, no? Oo naman, parang ito yung starting point mo para maging collective kita, no? Okay. So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay? So, yeah, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Meron din tayong love and money bracelet. So, ito yon. So, siya is merong citrine stone, citrine. Okay, kasi si citrine, yun yung money magnet. Okay, so dito, ito yan. Yung mga yellow na yan, yan yung mga citrine. Okay, so, it's like 2-in-1 bracelet. O, kung ikaw ay lalaki, pwede mo naman tong ilagay sa pouch na red. Okay, so, ganun lamang. Kailangan ibigay ang real name. Yes, yun ang aking requirements, ha, sa mga gusto ninyong i-purchase. Anyway, so, yes, meron din tayong grantor. So, si grantor is made to order, by the way. So, siya yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo, pero you have to protect kung ano man yung minamanifest mo by using evil eye. Okay, so pagsasamahin mo yun, pareho mong susuotin. Okay, kung meron kang evil eye na sa'yo, yan, maganda yan, gamitin mo. Kung ito yung pa-purchase mo, and itong si love and money, yun, kailangan mo ng protection. Okay? And syempre, yung ating cord cutting. So, padaliin na lang natin ang pagpapaliwanag. Pangtaboy, M-A-L-A-S. Okay? Pangalis, M-A-L-A-S. Oo, ayoko sinasabi yung word na yun eh. No? So, ito yun. Siya yun, si cord cut. Okay, so again, kung merong tanong pagdating po na sa kanila, sa private reading, yan, message lang po. Okay? So, yun lamang. So, let's start the reading for you. Collectives, no zodiac sign needed. Okay? Any zodiac pwedeng manood, pwedeng makinig ng collective readings. Okay, pero yun nga requirements ko para makuha ko yung iyong energy. Dapat matagal ka na rin nanonood or sabihin natin naka-follow ka na, naka-subscribe ka na. Requirement ko lang. Okay? Anyway, so let's see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so what's for you, my collectives? So, this is for the month of June. Okay? June muna. Oo, June. Hanggang katapusan ng June. Anong meron? Anong meron for our collectives? Kunin ko to. Kuha tayo ng 6. Collectives. Kunin ko to. Yung mga nagpapapansin na card. Oo, yun ang kukunin natin. Okay. 3 more. Collectives. Collectives. Okay, collectives. Collectives for the month of June. Okay. Collectives. Okay. Tapos mamaya, kukuha tayo ng oracle. Kukuha tayo ng isa pang message from an oracle card. Okay. Let's see. First card. Okay. The Three of Swords. Oh, anong meron dyan? Later. The Page of Swords inversed. The Emperor. Excuse me. Seven of Wands, Six of Cups, the Ace of Wands. Okay. So, mga connection na kung nakikita dito, sabihin nating dapat na binablock na. Okay, I don't know, pwedeng ikaw itong masyado na ring sabihin nating hindi open pagdating sa mga connection dahil or sabihin nating mababa yung frequency ngayong June. Parang check up, no? Parang chine-check up. Kasi, kaya mababa. First card mo is the Three of Swords. Okay, so for me, nandyan yung pain, nandyan yung anger. Some of you might be dealing with separation or endings. Okay, so some of you, you're like in a process of healing. Okay, in the process of healing. Some of you, may chance na meron kayong gagawing motivation. Okay, ngayong June, para maging okay, para mas maging maayos. So, meron din kayong mga kailangang i-block, itaboy, kahit sabihin natin gusto nyo or kailangan nyo. I don't know why. Kasi yung iba, sabihin natin gusto nyo, kailangan nyo, kaso nandun yung sobrang effort na dumarating na sa punto na parang nakakapagod na. Okay, some of you have to surrender that. Surrender it. Okay? Some of you have a stalker. You'll have a stalker. Maybe. There's this ex watching you. Ngayong June. They're watching you. They're stalking you. Okay? So, in general, there's this energy na pwedeng nagiging interested muli. Okay? Whether friend mo, nagkaroon ng romantic connection, past person. Okay, so this is an energy of somebody na nasa past mo. They're stalking you. They are. Some of you, nandyan yung parang hirap mag-move on or hirap mag-heal ngayong June. Okay, magkaroon po ng motivation, para maging okay. Lahat naman is naka-upright. So, for me, some of you, this is like lesson, challenges ngayong June, para mas maging better ka. Para maging ikaw yung, sabi nating, best version ng sarili mo. There's a lot of opportunities, a lot of responsibilities na pwedeng mangyari ngayong June. Pwedeng sa sarili mo, pwedeng sa mga nakapaligid sa'yo, mga ganyan. Okay? There's this energy rin ng progress. May energy rin ng proposal, may energy rin ng promotion for some of you. Okay? Somebody, or may energy rito na parang i-evaluate ka. I don't know if this is around workplace or pwedeng susuriin ka kasi. Or ikaw itong may susuriin. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Ten of Wands. This is yung mga kailangan mo aksyonan. Yeah, nakakapagod. Pero, I think, ito yung way ni universe, no? Kung paano ka magiging mas okay, kung paano ka matututo, kung paano ka mag-grow. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Eight of Wands. This is movement. Forward movement. Okay? So, hindi kung nakikita na ganun kadali ang June, okay, sa iba sa inyo, Pero, it's like, sabihin natin, experience, no? Gawin yung experience, oo. I mean, kung ano man yung mga may experience nyo, gawin yung like, opportunity. Okay? Gawin yung opportunity. So, yeah. This is nice. This is good. It's like, sabihin nating survival of the fittest, no? Parang ganyan. Oo, medyo OA, pero yes, kailangan mong mag-strive. Kailangan mong bigyan pa ng challenge eh. Kasi may chance yung iba sa inyo, kung masasurvive mo to, mas magiging okay ka. Ikaw yung para magiging best version ng sarili mo. Okay? So, yeah, that's general. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Kaya ganun. So for me, ito kasi yung energy na parang nawawala sa pathway, nawawala sa direction. So maybe, ikaw itong parang bibigyan nga ni universe, no, ng mga challenges ngayong June. Titingnan niya kung kaya ka pa ba niyang i-level up or magstay ka ulit dyan sa ganyan. It's up to you kung paano ka magre-respond sa mga challenges na ibibigay sa'yo ni universe ngayong June. Yeah, for me, it looks challenging, pero kaya. Hindi naman lalabas tong Emperor and Ace of Wands kung hindi mo kaya. Okay? Ten of Pentacles. See, some of you, pwedeng regarding sa pamimera mo. Ayaw mo nun? Kung may mga challenge, or sabihin nating failures, pagdating sa pera, magkakaroon ka ng, sabihin nating, mas magandang strategy. Makakaisip ka ng mas magandang strategy para maiangat, para mapataas, no? Kung ano man pagdating sa pamimera. Okay? The Ten of Pentacles nagpakita, hindi posible na hindi mo makuha. Like, kahit sabihin natin kaunti yung pag-angat sa pera, meron pa rin. Okay? So, yeah, the Four of Swords. Four of Swords, energy yun ng parang thinking, reevaluating. Some of you have to rest. Okay? Kasi masyadong bugbog yung energy ng iba sa inyo. Kailangan yung magpahinga. I'm talking here in general. Okay? So, let's see. Tungo tayo so i-fit nyo lang yung sarili nyo sa kung anong situation. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Swords, the Eight of Wands. So, for me, energy yun ng clarity. Some of you could be closure or new experience or sabihin natin anything new. Like, new beginning, moving forward. Okay, mga ganyang bagay. Yun nga, ang nakikita ko is pa-okay. So, don't you worry. Okay? Meron ako nakuha na energy ng visa. That's specific. Ngayong June. Merong mabibigyan ng visa to travel. Okay? So, tayo ay yeah, see? Ito kunin ko to. Kasi ito ang lapit talaga. Ito mo. Tingnan nyo. I turn every experience into an opportunity. Diba? So, basahin natin nasa likod. Kukuha pa tayo ng iba. So, each problem has a solution. All experiences are opportunities for me to learn and grow. I am safe. Diba? Hindi nyo mabasa? Oo. So, kuha pa tayo. What's for our collectives? Ngayong June. Message. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Collectives. Ngayong June. Okay. Okay. Freedom is my divine right. So, babasahin kayo nasa likod. I am free to think wonderful thoughts. I move beyond past limitations into freedom. I am now becoming all that I am created to be. Diba? Yeah, nice. It's like, nasa sayo kung paano ka, like, ikaw yung magmomold ng sarili mo. Parang ganyan. Kung hahayaan ba yung sarili mong wasak-wasak, then wasak-wasak ka talaga. Okay? Parang ganyan. Pero kung hahayaan mo yung sarili mong mag-grow, matuto, then, hello, welcome mo yung progress and improvement. Okay? So there, yun lang ang aking reading for you, collectives. So, ngayong month of June, so energy lang yun. Okay, kung anong meron. So again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below ang link. Thank you. Goodbye.